Hey guys, so I'm going to go ahead and open up the settings tab on my iPhone, and I just want to show you guys something pretty neat. So if I go to general and I go to about, as you can see, I'm on iOS 14.3. This is the newest iOS release, and in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to jailbreak without a computer on this new version. So what you need to do is go to the website unc0ver.cc. You want to put a 0 instead of an O, so unc0ver.cc, guys, just like I'm doing here. As you can see, you want to substitute the O for a 0, and once you're on the site, you want to press jailbreak. And basically what it's going to do is download a configuration profile, so press allow and then press close. And to download this onto your device, you have to open up the settings app, and you've got to go back and you got to go to the top, and you should see at the top it says profile downloaded. You press on that, you press install. This will install the unc0ver jailbreak method app. You do need to provide your password, so make sure you put that in. Then all you have to do is go ahead and press install in the corner, press install at the bottom, and you can either press done or just swipe to your home screen, and you should see the unc0ver jailbreak app on your device. You just want to go ahead and open this up, guys, and give it a minute to load. It will say unc0ver jailbreak for iOS. Press jailbreak. It will ask you to confirm, and then just give it a minute for it to go ahead and download all the files onto your device. It's super easy and it's pretty quick. As you can see, it's just like extracting boot images and stuff. Really cool stuff here, as you can see, and this is completely computerless method. You do not need a computer to do this whatsoever. So I'm just going to give it a minute for this whole thing to play out. And as you can see, guys, now it's just loading this like progress bar, kind of like when you update your iPhone. So you just want to give it a minute for this to finish. Normally this doesn't take too long either, so it's pretty neat. Alright, just going to give it a second to finish up here, as you can see. Okay, alright, so guys, once this progress bar is filled to the end, just give it a second and it should say something. Let me just give it a minute. It's probably going to say jailbreak nearly finished, the required tab, so you need to press the button there, and it's going to take you to a website, guys, where you have to do human verification. All you have to do is download some apps, like 2 apps, and run them for at least 30 seconds. They're completely free. They're from the official App Store. And this will inject the jailbreak code in your device and basically make your device jailbroken. So I'm going to go with this app, CyberGhost VPN. I'm going to download it. I'm going to go back on the list and download a second app. So I'm going to go with this app, CoinMaster. Same deal. Just download 2 apps and run them for at least 30 seconds. And then the jailbreak should be done. So now I'm going to go to my home screen. Just give it a minute, guys, for both these apps to download. As you can see, the VPN's already done. So I'm going to open up this app, and all I have to do is stay on it for at least 30 seconds, just doing basic interactions, touching around. So this is like a VPN, so I'm going to put in like my email address here, as you can see. You do not have to buy anything in these apps, so if it asks you to like sign up for a trial, you do not have to do that, guys. So I'm just going to go ahead and put in a password now. As you can see, this is super cool. And yeah, this is the only way, guys, to jailbreak on the new version of iOS, and you do not need a computer for this, which is insane. So yeah, it wants me to like pay for a trial. So I'm going to move on to the other app now, which is CoinMaster. This is like some sort of game. So if you have a game on your list and you pick it and you're not sure how to play it, there should be like a tutorial you can watch, which will make it a lot easier. So I'm just going to go ahead and give it a minute for this game to load up, and then all I have to do is play it for like 30 seconds and it should be good to go. So I'm just going to go ahead, give it a minute here for this thing to load. As you can see, it's almost done. And then all I have to do is play it for like 30 seconds and I'll be good to go. So give it a second here. As you can see, all these apps are pretty small in size, so it shouldn't take too long for them to download. So you shouldn't really have to worry about that unless you have like horrid internet. So the game is now working, so I'm just going to play this here. As you can see, it's got like a tutorial. It wants me to like build something, so I'm just going to press buy. Looks like I got to buy this like house. Yeah, it's really cool stuff going on, guys. It wants me to like collect 20 stars, name my Vikings. So let me just type in a name here. As you can see, I'm just going to do that. Save. And then it says you're out of coins. Swipe down to earn more. So this is like a slot game, I think. So you just press spin. You might have completely different apps, though. So pick whatever apps are in your region. So now, guys, I'm going to go back to my home screen. Just give it a minute, and Cydia should download. Now that we did the verification, the injected code from those apps will cause Cydia to download onto my device. And as you can see, guys, there it is, Cydia. So I'm just going to open this. And as you can see, it's fully working. You can install all the jailbreak tweaks. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. Be sure to share this with your friends, guys. Get the word out. Share this site. Share the video tutorial. As you can see, you can like install tweaks. You can customize your device. So it's super cool, guys. I really hope you enjoyed this video on how to get this insane jailbreak without a computer. Be seeing you guys later, and peace out.